aircraft coming. You have to wait for food.
Other recent exercises include Defending Spirit, Crisis Response exercise held at both RS Cosford in Scotland and also RS Boddington in Suffolk. It is now time to look to your left-hand side. What a glorious sight this is. The Royal Air Force Mobility calls a pair of A400 Atlas aircraft.
Is complete now, turning south this time. 6-4, Roger, continue now with Shawbury 133,
Nice indeed, 2 aircraft now.
Continue with Shawbury 13315, and many thanks, good to see you.
In RF service, this is a tactical and strategic airlift aircraft operated by 2 pilots, 1 weapons systems operator. Has the ability to carry 25 tons of payload, range of 2,000 nautical miles, and it can operate from fairly rough and unprepared strips in addition to beaches, where I certainly witnessed myself. The aircraft landed on Penhale Sands down in the West Country. The capability has steadily improved throughout the years, very capable.